Hi baby, today we will learn about some common birds. This is a parrot. Parrot. This is a sparrow. Sparrow. This is a peacock. Peacock. This one here is a pigeon. Pigeon. Now tell me, which one is a sparrow? Very good. Here is an owl. Owl. This is a myna. Myna. Here is a bulbul. Bulbul. This is a koel. Koel. Now tell me, which one is an owl? Very good. This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher. Here is a lapwing. Lapwing. This is a duck. Duck. This is a crow. Crow. Now tell me, which one is a duck? Very good. Now this is a goose. Goose. Here is an ostrich. Ostrich. This is a flamingo. Flamingo. This one is a hornbill. Hornbill. Now tell me, which one is flamingo? Very good. I hope you liked it. Next time we will learn about fruits.